Hi students, today we are working on page 637, chapter 9, and this is still lesson 1. So let's go ahead and start off by reading the instructions. So the instructions tell us to write how many sides and vertices. So let's go ahead and look at number 3. So we need to start off by counting the sides. So please follow along and count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this shape has 4 sides, and now we need to count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Let's look at number 4. We have a rectangle. Notice how this side is very long and this top and bottom side are short, but these two sides are equal and this top and bottom side are equal. So let's go ahead and count the sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this rectangle has 4 sides. Go ahead and write 4. And then let's figure out how many vertices it has. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this shape has 4 vertices. Number 5. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has 4 sides. And now we need to count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sides and 4 vertices. Now let's look at number 6. Let's start off by counting the sides. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sides. And now we need to figure out how many vertices. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sides and 4 vertices. Number 7. It says circle the objects that match the first shape. So this is the first shape, this green rectangle. So we need to look at the 3 other objects that are here and see which object has a very similar shape to this first one. So in this case, the dollar bill has the same shape as this green rectangle. Okay, number 8, we have a square. So which one do you think has a similar shape to the purple square? That's right, this yellow square right here, right? Now let's look at number 9. The instructions tell us to circle the closed shape. Remember, closed meaning that there are no gaps. It's fully closed. There's no way out. So let's look at this first shape. Do you think this is an open or closed shape? This is an open shape because if you see, it's not closed all the way. So we are looking for closed. Therefore, this one is not a closed shape. We have a rectangle over here. Is it fully closed? Do we see any openings? No. So this is a closed shape. Now let's look at this one. If you notice, it's almost fully closed, but then right here, there is a gap. Therefore, this is an open shaped. Now let's look at the next one. This one has a long side. It goes across and up, but it stops right there. Is this open or closed? It is open. And we do not want the open shapes. We only want the fully closed shapes. So now let's look at the next one. This is a square. Is it fully closed? Is there any way out? Nope. Therefore, this is a closed shape. And let's look at that little small tiny square. Open or closed? It is closed. It is fully closed all the way. So we will circle it, and we are all done with this page. Now let's move on to page 638. Okay, and we're going to do number 10. So it says, I am a two-dimensional shape that has 4 vertices. All of my sides are the same length. What shape am I? Well, remember what I told you, that a rectangle, the 2 long sides are the same length, but the top part and the bottom part are shorter. So these sides are all the same. So we know that it cannot be a rectangle because the rectangle does not have all of its sides equal. So in this case, it has to be a square, right? So we are going to draw a square, okay? And all of the sides are equal. So we are going to write square. Okay, number 11. I am a two-dimensional shape that has 4 sides. 2 of my sides are long. 2 of my sides are short. What shape am I? Well, remember, we said that a rectangle has the top and bottom sides very short, but then the ones that come all the way down, those are long. So the shape that number 11 is talking about is a rectangle. So let's go ahead and draw a rectangle. So see, this top part is short and so is the bottom part. But these 2 long lines are longer than the top and the bottom. So it has to be a rectangle. All right. Now let's write a little bit about math. So it says, use the words closed, sides, and vertices to describe a square. So what can we say about the square? Well, by looking at the square, we know that this is a closed shape. So we can start off by saying a square is a closed shape. Now, how many sides and how many vertices does a square have? Let's start off by saying it has, well, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 sides and how many vertices? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 4 vertices. Oops, running out of space. All right, friends, we are all done. Great job.